and welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, the place of own fine craft ales. If you haven't met him before, you won't find him moving thousands of miles away from a bit of private life and then writing a book about his private life. Here's the world famous Plunk Click every trip, Alan Partridge.
I like the plunk click one at the end there. hey. This is my world famous brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello, Rob.
Alright, bro, how's it going?
Nearly gaffed me lines then, isn't it?
Nearly gaffy lines then. It's a bit cold in this area, nippy Lincolnshire, isn't it?
It is a bit, love, yes.
Well, it's a bit tainties over here.
I'm having my longy johns on today.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Alright.
Yeah, keeps me parts nice and warm.
Anyway, well, welcome to 2023.
Yes, and we will be reviewing lots more beer kits throughout the year, all grain, part grain and extract kits. We won't be forgetting about the 1 tin kits, all the 2 tin kits, all the part grain. We will be doing them all this year.
Do a lot.
And then just to reassure everybody, we'll be having an award for everything at the end of the year.
Oh my God. Right, I better start designing
Under
them now.
high demand we are.
All right. Thanks for your comments on the awards video, by the way. Thanks, that was much appreciated.
Yeah.
I suppose we're getting started with a review, haven't we?
We best get started with drinking some beer and reviewing it. That's what we're here for, isn't it? After all.
Where are we starting, bro?
We're going to start, as always, and I think it's best to start with an extract kit. So this is a 2 tin kit from those guys at Muntons.
There we go, look, folks, you can see that, hopefully you can see that on the camera, maybe. Right then, so here we go. 36 pint craft brewing kit, Muntons handcrafted winter warmer ale.
Yeah, just what you need today.
A strong mellow ale balanced with a choice of aromatic bittering hops. That's about it really on there by the looks of it.
Yeah, again, you get 2 tins, some hops, dissolved malt extract, quite just a little bit involved because you've got some hops in there.
Instructions on the side.
Yeah.
Colour bitterness. Doesn't tell me the ABV on there anyway.
I think it says on the front, bro.
If it does, I can't see it.
I think it's a 5.7. It's on this side, look. It's on this side.
It's on this side.
No, this side.
This side.
At the bottom.
Oh,
in
no.
the red circle. In the red circle.
He knows these kids. I don't know the kids.
It's in red circle. In really red circle, man.
I need to get angry, is it? It's 5.7 anyway, ABV.
Oh, dear. Anyway, if anyone knows what I need job in the yeah. Experience.
You've got to put up with him though. Right then.
Right then, there you go, bro. Get that gear around that.
Oh. What are you thinking of that?
Very malty, if I'm honest. I'm getting a lot of malt.
Oh, I am, especially now. I've swooshed it down a bit.
Not a lot of anything else apart from a strong maltiness.
Where's it? Well, that is. It's maltiness.
Maltiness.
Should we go in?
Yeah, let's do it, haven't we? That's what we're here for.
Yes.
Nice, good colour though,
Yeah, it's a good colour and quite clear as
and
well.
quite clear as well, actually.
Yeah.
That's quite nice.
Especially
Nice
considering-
amber colour.
Considering how cold it is outside,
Yeah.
and what have you. So, right, here goes, folks.
I'm not sure where to go with this one, if I'm honest. It's not terrible.
Long way from it.
It's quite nice, quite smooth and rounded for a kit, but it's got a strong malty taste and I'm not really getting a lot of bitterness.
No, it's more sweet than bitter.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a brown beer.
It's a brown beer, probably not even quite as bitter as something like a strong brown bitter like Abbott Reserve or Abbott, something like that.
No.
It hasn't quite got that bitterness on what I was hoping for. That leaves you longing for another mouthful.
It has got a bit of bitterness, but like my brother says, it's not there, is it?
No.
I mean, it's a session beer. You could quite happily have a pint, but it's unremarkable. You won't push back to the basket for another one, would you?
No.
What are we reckoning?
7.
I'm with him. It's about a 7 for me. I could drink a pint if somebody put it in front of me,
Yeah.
but I won't push back for another one.
No.
Yeah.
Not
Nothing wrong with it.
Nothing wrong with it. Quite smooth for a kit, but it's just a real strong maltiness. I just don't like. Somebody out there might.
Yeah. Well, that
You
might be
like
fine.
strong brown malty beers, and that's probably up your street. But
It's not for me.
it's not for me.
It's not for me.
Sorry, guys.
It's not for me.
Sorry, guys.
There you go. Right then. We're now moving on to. Oh, not that one, are we?
Nope.
No. No, have we got anything for the other one?
No, we haven't got anything. I did tell you to look on your bloody phone.
I'm all over the shop tonight.
Oh, that's shuffling now. Did you come around purposely half awake?
You need talk.
Gee up, man.
Tell you, we're starting off 23 all right, aren't we? Anyway, here we go, look. I told you we've got it on my phone already loaded. I don't know what he's moaning about.
So who's it, Brian, bro? Come on.
This is Charles Farm. Faram, I think. Faram. Charles Faram Stout, 4.5 ABV. Straight in there with the ABV.
Straight now with the ABV. The cost and...
Well, it says 11 to 14 pounds. So I presume that presumes which the options you go for.
Well, size probably,
Okay.
and yeast probably.
Okay. It's a classic stout malt bill with... Now, I'm not sure of this word, whether it's olicana or olicana for bittering and a hint of floral aroma. There's quite a bit about the brewery. They don't want to bore you all with that. Go on the website and check it out. It's got your ingredients. Yeah, it's all there.
Yeah, it's from Brewday. So Brewday have teamed up with Charles Farren, and they've come up with these fine basic kits, but really, really good value as well.
That's looking good.
Yeah. Charles Farren, if you haven't heard them before, they're an
Hot merchants, I
hot
believe.
merchants.
Yes.
Been around for about 155 years.
Yeah.
So they should know what they're doing.
And if you go on Brewday now, there's quite a lot of their recipes or kits on there. So yeah, go check it out.
Yeah. I'll check it out again because I didn't realise that meant to be little.
No, we just had a look. I think there's more on there than there was the other day. Right then.
Right.
Well, it's a stout.
It's a stout. And it smells stoutish, nice roasted malt
It's nice and
flavour.
smooth, isn't it? You
Yeah.
know.
I've put it through the Guinness tap, so it's going to give it a bit more cream flowy head.
But even that smell, it's a nice smooth aroma, isn't it? There's a bit of roast going on in there. A little bit of malts, bit of roast, bit of everything, really.
Now, for those haven't watched us before or new to us, we serve most of our beers now out of corner kegs. We put them out through various taps and pools and taps. I got this tap a long time ago off that there eBay.
Yeah.
It's got stout flow. Here you go. Got
Oh,
stout.
these?
We're called stout nozzle, and in there is a little stout plate.
So we've got a little stout nozzle.
Yeah.
Like that. I don't know if I can show on camera. And in there's a little stout plate.
Yeah.
I mean,
Probably won't show on camera at all.
Won't show on camera, but there's one in there.
But it does improve your beer.
It does.
Yes.
If you want your stout Guinnessy,
Guinness in creamy.
get one in.
Do you want that?
Right. I'm going in, bro, because it
Cheers.
looks too inviting. Cheers.
That's good.
It's good. I don't know what I'll say. It's good. It's
Dark
stout.
bitterness, roastiness, just a classic stout. Just what you'd expect.
Quite bitter on the back end.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a stout all day long. It's cracking kit.
Lovely beer for this time of the year. Absolutely smooth,
Yeah.
rounded, roasted.
If I'm perfectly honest, and this is not my brother's fault, I'd like mine a little bit warmer.
Oh, excuse me. No, that's fantastic. That's definitely a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for me too, bro.
Yeah.
That's a cracking beer.
And again, especially being good value.
You could, whereas the other one, you'd be happy with 1 pint. That you could just sit and drink it all evening, couldn't you? Good game of rugby, because there's some rugby coming up soon.
Oh yes, there is.
Oh yes, there's some international games coming up soon. And a few of them.
Six Nations, where the captain of England, the head coach of England has been stolen from.
Well, it's
Leicester Tigers.
It's not Six Nations anymore, is it? But it's 5 nations plus Leicester Tigers. Because that's basically it, isn't it? Let's face it. I don't want to talk too much about rugby, but there you go. Right then, I think we've got one more beer left.
Yeah, of course, we're going across now to those guys at Dudley.
Hey, that'll be Darkrock then.
Yeah, that'll be Darkrock, guys.
And that'll be one of these premium all grain beer kits. Autumn Equinox New England IPA.
It is a limited edition, so if you're thinking of getting it, get across there, get it done before it takes them off.
I need to blur, don't I? I've put that one down instead. It's around here somewhere usually. There we go. A fresh New England style hazy pale ale, packed with hoppy, fruity flavours, a light malty aroma, and subtle malt flavours. Are provided by the addition of golden naked oats. And wheat malt. Tropical fruit zestiness, citra, equinox, and mosaic hops. Fresh and clean taste. Creamy mouthfeel. Napier. Ugh. What's the blurb on there?
Or New England IPA, as some people are going to say. I don't know what makes an autumn equinox New England IPA rather than a summer equinox IPA. Really, I can't see a lot of difference.
Is it maybe just the time of year that they're releasing it?
Yeah.
Because it doesn't look autumnal.
Yeah. Or sound
Autumnal, even. There we go.
I'll give you the instructions there, because the instructions tell you how strong it is. Flip them back to the front.
Flip back to the front.
Smack bang in the middle.
Oh, it is 5%.
5%.
Lovely, jolly. Yeah, there's a whole sheet there about instructions and what's in it.
Again, these kits are great. They come, grain already comes weighed out. You ain't got to do no weighing or anything. Your hops already come labelled. You just put the hops in at a certain time compared to the ABC that's on the packet.
Yeah, I mean, they tell you temperature, your sparge water, your sparge amount, when to put things in, the temperature of things. There's everything on there you could wish for. Yeah,
it does tell you the amount of water you're supposed to use. But obviously that will vary depending on your one kettle brewing system.
Yes.
Yeah, because a lot of these one kettle brewing systems have some what's called dead space in the bottom. So the best way to do that is to put some water in until it reaches the bottom of your grain basket. That's your dead space. Count how many litres of water you put in. That is the amount you'll probably have to add to that figure.
I see. Right, yeah. Well, there you go. There's a tip. Right, beer.
There you go.
Let's have a sniff of this one.
Holy moly! Right, this is completely off the scale now. As far as nose goes, I can like peaches, cream, citra.
Yes, all that. I think if you inhale hard enough, I'll probably get drunk. That's great.
Smell is absolutely great.
That's lovely.
Just makes you want to dive in.
Let's do it, bro. Let's dive in.
Cheers.
Cheers. Shut the front door, shut the back door, and just blew my neck.
I know it might be winter outside, but that just makes you dream of summer days, really, doesn't it?
That is fantastic.
It's light, crisp, golden. The hops are not too powerful, but they are powerful. They don't like give you that burnt feeling on the back of the tongue you get some of the New England IPAs. It's just a right balance there, and dryness, and fruitiness,
but also
stone fruitiness,
mixing that creamy smoothness as well, isn't it? Like it says on the instructions, there's a nice creamy smoothness to it, and it's like punchy, and it's everything I like about a beer. That is, that's cracking. I'm going straight into 10 out of 10. Definitely the best beer we've had this year.
Yeah, definitely the best beer this year. This can go on the all grain kits of 2023. So can the Charles faram stout. Unfortunately, the Muntons can't go on the extract.
No, they need to be 10 out of 10s, and that isn't. No, I'm afraid.
10 out of 10 or close, I'm going to go for with the extract kits. I'd like to see 10 out of 10s, but I don't know whether as comparing or drinking all grain at the same time, whether we're going to get to that 10 out of 10. We did with the Citra.
Yes, and if we taste them first,
yes,
and give you our honest opinion before we have anything else, then I think that's probably the best way.
Yeah.
Fantastic, Graham. Oh, I could drink lots of that. Oh. Lovely that. Anyway, coming up next time in the Dog and Partridge.
Left from Seville.
Is that Williams Warren?
Yeah, Williams Warren.
American Pale Ale.
Now this is a 1 tin kit. So yes, I'm still doing 1 tin kits, people out there. This is Williams Warren. You find them over at Brewday. It comes with hops. It also comes with their own enhancer as well. So I thought I'd check that out.
I've just pre-read the next one. This is one of ours. This is the Dog and Partridge tribute to 8 Sail Black Widow.
Now 8 Sail's a brewery down the road. They make a beer called Black Widow. And with a little bit of help from various different people, we came up with a
bit of mixing going on here and there.
A bit of help from my mate Brewphil. Who used an app on his phone to get the right quantities, etc.
We've he's come up with this tribute to their Black Widow. So yeah, we'll be trying that one. And then a Brewday Charles Farm.
Yep. Bitter. Charles Farm bitter.
There's nothing after it.
The pen ran out.
There is a couple of dots. Brewday Charles Faram. Bitter.
Classic bitter.
Classic bitter. There
Yes,
you go.
bitter, I think it is. Yes, yeah.
Good. Right then.
That's what to look forward to next time on the Partridge. If you don't want to miss our next episode, please press subscribe
On that YouTube channel.
on YouTube. If you do follow us on any other format, please get over to YouTube because we're up to 2,000.
Well, 2,000 is great. It's fantastic.
It's only took like 5 years.
We do apologise now. We are on to 2,000. You will have to watch an advert before you watch us usually.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. That's the way it is.
It's the way it is. It's the way it is. Unless you've got YouTube Premium, of course.
Oh, you have to pay for that, of course. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Thanks for all your very kind comments on the last video. Well,
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah. Right then, bro. Until next time, it's a goodbye from me.
Let's go off then.
Huzzah!
Huzzah!
To the king!
To the king.